Hey, I know I was only supposed to do this on the first movie, but the thing is, I've seen all the movies so far, and thought it was easier, if not more unfair to the students who aren't huge nerds, to use all 7 movies rather than just the one. So, yeah. Intro, please. 5. Technologies. A very popular sci-fi series from the 70s was somehow able to predict 30 years into the future. George Lucas, Time Lord confirmed. Okay, first is a bionic limb. So, spoilers if you haven't seen this near 40-year-old movie. In the second film of the original trio, Empire Strikes Back, Darth Vader reveals to Luke Skywalker